The first part of our camper build, I guess, was to actually find a trailer. We looked at a couple different options, including having one built out of aluminum, purchasing an aluminum one, and looking at the galvanized one. As you can see, well, we settled on, I don't know if it settled, but we ended up getting a galvanized trailer. We looked at the aluminum trailers, and to buy an equivalent one, it was almost double the price of this 5x10 that we have here. This is a Stirling galvanized trailer that we purchased off of a big box store. It's 5x10. The actual gross vehicle weight is 2,700 pounds. And has a payload of 2,100. So the weight of the trailer is only about 620, which is about 100 pounds heavier than an aluminum. And this was just about half the price of an aluminum. Sides on this are 15 inches tall. And what I did like about it is that it actually has torsion bar suspension. And it's a 3,500 pound weight torsion suspension. Has adjustable axle if I needed to move it once I get the camper built and on there. If I have to move it forward, I can move it up to 6 inches so I can, more evenly distribute the weight. It has tie downs on the inside. Now I don't know if I'll be using these tie downs with the camper build. There's one there, and two in the back. But they're there if I have to use it for any other, like just picking up gear and that sort of stuff. The lighting, it's all sealed, so it's not going to get wet. Right there, on the sides, up front here as well. 2-inch coupler up front, so no odd sized ball or anything like that. 4-pin plug. Tires are actually, what are they? 175 ADR 13 radial tires on this trailer with the easy lube hubs. So that's great. So I can just actually put my grease gun on the end of there, take the cap off, and grease the bearings inside. Apparently, haven't done it yet, but I think that's how it works. So this is going to be the base for our camper. We're going to build it so we can actually slide into this trailer. I'm going to make it probably an inch narrower and an inch shorter than the actual inside of the frame here to give it a little bit of wiggle room so when installing it. Are we going to keep the gate on it? Maybe, maybe not. We're not 100% sure yet. Depends how the build goes. Yeah, so there it is. This is going to be the base. I'm going to be picking up a lot of the material using this trailer and then carting it home. And when I get all the material, then I'm going to start building. Thanks for watching.